So what are full dentures? Full dentures are an appliance worn on the upper or lower arch. Its base is made of acrylic. The teeth could either be made of plastic or porcelain. It's used to provide aesthetic and function due to a loss of all your teeth. How do they stay in? Well, the upper denture stays in with retention due to the roof of your mouth. The lower has very little retention or support due to the strong muscles of the tongue and cheeks. Adhesive is usually used or needed in both upper and lower arches to keep the appliance from moving. They do need to come out daily to clean. If you're interested in a full denture, please give us a call and we'd love to see how we can help you.